Hello everyone, welcome to chapter 14. Has to do with images. Yeah, let's just get right into it. So here we already did this setup back in chapter 1, as you can see here. So we'll just continue from there. If you don't have this, well, let me just go to settings.py to show you the file static. Yeah, so we already did this. So now let's just continue from there then. So open urls.py. That's in the folder, the main one, the one in the example folder. And there, let's add the path so that Django knows from where to serve the images. Oh, one thing that I forgot to mention: if you go to settings.py, go to the top of the file, you should see debug equal to true. That means this is not for production. This is we're just developing here. So make sure that this is true, because we're using it here in this condition. So if settings.debug is equal to true, then use this. Then we're saying Django use this path to serve the static files. So just make sure that you have that equal to true. And now let's just set the path, which you can see it on the right here. I'm just copying this path. Document. Right. Oh, and we have to import something. That's why it's not appearing here. Oh. Yeah. So make sure that you make you also include those imports. I always forget the imports. All right. Conf. So now we don't have any problem here in the terminal. And there's an explanation here. So yeah. So let's open all listings.html. So that's the next thing. And let's add the images. So we'll finally display the images in our listings. So it's just these two lines of code here. So I'm just gonna, as usual, just gonna go copy and paste this and Alright, so that's gonna display the first two images or photos. In this case, we just have two for each listing. But if you had three and you wanted to display the third one here too, you can just include another one of these image tags. So how we're doing it is, for each listing, we're just displaying two images, as you can see here, like this. But you can add like a third one if you'd like to. So yeah, so let's really quick, let's just go back to the page, just refresh, go to listings, and you can see that the listings are being displayed. You can see the pictures here, and this one I downloaded it like that, like in a blur. It was blurry when I downloaded it. That's why it shows like this. But this one, it shows fine. So we can change this one, and you'll see that that's no problem. All right. And now if you want to go see the listing, you should also see the images here, but bigger. At least that's the idea here. So now let's go to detail listing.template. So detail.html. And here you can see that we have added the photos as well. So let's just add that. Alright, so now that we have added the tags here, you can see that we also added a if statement here, a condition that says, if detail.photo underscore 2. So it's pretty much, if it exists, then show us the third image. If not, then just show the first two. And we're saying this because the third image is always optional. We only require the user to upload two. If they have two, only two will show, and if they have three, then the three of them will show. So once again, let's go back to our page, and let's just refresh this one, and you should see the listings here, and the same for the other one. So that's it. This chapter is really short. It was just pretty much just adding what we had to add, the image tags. And yeah, that's it for this one. You can see the quiz there and the challenge.
the answer sheet. And for the next one, we'll create our search. It's called a Django filter, but it's so that we can search for specific listings. It's a filter, same thing. So I'll see you in the next chapter.